alternating turns. All right, and that was when we did this earlier. It was like it turned gray behind whoever's turn it was. All right, so we have to update the score. We need to know which player clicked a button. Okay. That means we need a way to indicate whose turn it is and then update things based on that. All right, so let's just do this step by step. First, add a variable current player equals 1 at the top of the program. All right. Equals 1. All right, that's easy enough. Add a new function definition in your code for switch player with an if statement and console log message. It should be something like this. Oh boy. All right. So add a function. That's not hard. I'm going to put it right here by my other functions. Okay. Boom. And then, all right, function, I'm going to call it switch player. Switch player. All right. And with an if statement and console log message, it should look something like this. Ooh, they've pretty much given us the answers. I love it. All right, so I have to put in a little variable here. If current player equals 1, get my equals on. If that equals 1, then we're gonna change this variable to make it equal 2. Weird. Oh, this kind of makes sense. Let me see. Let me grab just my plain old variable. So we're redefining it. We're turning player 1 into 2. And then if player does not equal 1, current player, okay. This totally makes sense. Current player equals 1. So if current player is 1, when I click, they want the variable to redefine as 2. And if it's not 1, it would be 2, it goes to 1. So every time you click, it's switching back. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, that's easy enough. Console log, current player is, okay. Where's my console log in the very bottom? Just gonna say current player is, and then I'm gonna do plus, I'm gonna put in my variable. Sorry, I'm in the way. Current player, stop. Current player. Add a call switch player as a last line inside the checked correct function. All right, so down here, what is this? Oh, this is supposed to be set board. And then right below that, we're going to call this new one that we just created. It was called switch player. All right, let's see if this works. Current player is 2. Current player is 1. Current player is 2. All right, the computer knows who's the player. Awesome. Note, right now, most of our output is in the console because it's easy and fast to verify that things are working. We'll start the app elements next. All right, so what I just did was I created this switch player right here. And now when I run it, the computer knows whose turn it is. It's creating new colors. It's telling me whether I'm right or wrong. And it's telling me which player it is. Now the only thing I need to do really is get my score and my output to work. Right, so this is what we just did right here. Beep, boop, beep, boop. And then we called that one down here in the check correct. So essentially when I click on a button, it says, it calls up this function, goes down here, check correct, and it does all this stuff. All right, not too bad.